Hey there, it's Kylie with WTI. Having a good camping table can make all the difference for your outdoor adventure. And I'm so excited that I found this WUROMISE outdoor folding portable picnic camping table. The first thing that impressed me about this table was how easy it was to set up. It took only a few minutes and I was ready to enjoy the table. The table itself is about 37 inches long and about 19 inches high. This is actually the perfect height for sitting at. I have used this table while I am camping and it has been so durable. The loading weight is 225 pounds, and when I sit on it, it feels so sturdy. I also really love this removable mesh basket underneath the table. It just adds a lot of extra storage. And for me, that's great because it helps me keep my things organized. This table is really easy to carry as well. It folds up nicely into this carrying case and it's lightweight with a small footprint. This outdoor camping table from WUROMISE is just perfect for all my outdoor adventures. It's compact, it's durable, and really easy to set up. And that's my point of view.